Welcome to Tumamoto. Robo system has developed an electric off-road bike that can be charged with a gasoline generator. Not only that, it can also swim and it only costs around $2,000. So keep watching. The Ultra bike from Robo system stands on two-wheel hub motors that are covered with big balloon tires. The Ultra bike should be able to drive through any terrain and even swim. The motors each have an output of 1 kilowatt, and when both motors are working, the Ultra bike can reach speeds of up to 50 kilometers per hour. The motors are powered with a battery with a capacity of 1.6 kilowatt-hour. Charging on the go is possible with a handy petrol generator, which acts as a kind of range extender and makes an enormous number of kilometers possible. Without a generator, 60 kilometers should be possible. With all kinds of accessories, the Ultra bike can be turned into an outdoor bike. Additional batteries, canister, power chargers, inverters, or inflatable floats can be ordered directly. The basic version of the Ultra bike currently costs $1,990 and is available from the manufacturer in the USA.